Hello everyone, and welcome to Autopedia channel. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey through the Volvo Cars Charleston Plant, located in Ridgeville, South Carolina. This state-of-the-art facility, established in 2015, marked Volvo's first significant foray into U.S. manufacturing. Built on a sprawling 1,600-acre site, the factory has quickly become a hub of innovation and sustainability. Initially, the plant was dedicated to producing the Volvo S60 sedan, but it has since expanded its capabilities to include the highly anticipated all-electric Volvo EX90. As Volvo shifts towards an all-electric future, the Charleston plant plays a crucial role in this transformation, embodying Volvo's commitment to quality, safety, and environmental stewardship. Our journey begins in the body shop, the heart of the EX90's structural development. Here, raw materials such as aluminum and high-strength steel are meticulously shaped into the vehicle's framework. The body shop at the Charleston plant is a marvel of modern engineering, with over 500 robotic arms working in perfect harmony. These robots are responsible for laser cutting, welding, and assembling the body structure with unparalleled precision. The use of high-strength steel in critical areas, combined with aluminum in others, ensures that the EX90 is both lightweight and incredibly strong, enhancing both its safety and efficiency. The welding process is a key highlight, involving thousands of individual spot welds that are executed with millimeter accuracy. Laser welding technology, which offers greater precision than traditional methods, is employed to join the body panels seamlessly. Each weld is monitored by advanced sensors, ensuring that the integrity of the structure meets Volvo's rigorous safety standards. This level of precision is crucial in creating a body shell that can withstand the demanding conditions of the road while also protecting occupants in the event of a collision. Once the body shell is complete, it moves to the paint shop, where it undergoes a multi-layered paint application process. The paint shop is a controlled environment designed to ensure a flawless finish, both in terms of aesthetics and durability. The EX90's paint process begins with an electrocoating, E-coating, to protect the metal from corrosion. This is followed by the application of a primer, base coat, and clear coat. Each layer is applied with precision to ensure even coverage, and the vehicle undergoes multiple baking stages in high-temperature ovens to cure the paint and ensure a long-lasting finish. What makes Volvo's paint process stand out is its focus on sustainability. The Charleston plant uses a water-based paint system that significantly reduces the emission of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, aligning with Volvo's environmental goals. Additionally, the electrostatic painting technique ensures that paint particles are attracted to the car body with minimal waste, utilizing nearly 95% of the paint material. This not only reduces environmental impact, but also enhances the overall quality of the finish. After receiving its beautiful, durable finish, the EX90 proceeds to the general assembly line. This is where the vehicle truly starts to come to life, as thousands of individual components are meticulously installed. The assembly line is a symphony of human craftsmanship and robotic precision, where every detail is carefully attended to. Workers and robots collaborate to install key components, such as the electric powertrain, battery packs, and interior fittings. The EX90 is built on Volvo's Scalable Product Architecture, SPA, a flexible platform that supports both internal combustion engines and fully electric powertrains. For the EX90, this means accommodating a large battery pack beneath the floor, which contributes to a low center of gravity and enhances handling. The battery installation process is a critical step involving advanced robotic systems that ensure each battery module is securely fastened and properly connected. The interior assembly is where Volvo's commitment to luxury and sustainability becomes most apparent. The EX90 features a range of eco-friendly materials, including recycled plastics, natural fibers, and sustainable leather alternatives. The assembly line workers install everything from the plush seats to the advanced infotainment system, ensuring that every component is perfectly aligned and functional. The EX90's interior is designed to be a serene, luxurious space, with an emphasis on Scandinavian minimalism and cutting-edge technology. Before the Volvo EX90 leaves the factory, it undergoes a series of rigorous quality control checks. These checks are designed to ensure that every vehicle meets Volvo's high standards for safety, performance, and quality. The first stage of quality control involves a detailed inspection of the vehicle's alignment, braking system, and electrical systems. Advanced diagnostic tools are used to verify that every system is functioning correctly and that there are no defects. Once the initial inspections are complete, the EX90 is subjected to a series of dynamic tests on an in-house test track. This track simulates a variety of real-world driving conditions, including smooth highways, rough terrain, and wet surfaces. The purpose of these tests is to ensure that the vehicle's performance, handling, and safety systems are all functioning optimally. The test track is equipped with a range of sensors and monitoring systems that provide real-time data on the vehicle's performance, allowing engineers to make any necessary adjustments. Safety has always been a cornerstone of Volvo's brand, and the EX90 is no exception. After production, selected vehicles are sent to the Volvo Cars Safety Center in Gothenburg, Sweden, where they undergo a series of comprehensive crash tests. This facility is one of the most advanced crash test centers in the world, capable of simulating a wide range of collision scenarios. The EX90 undergoes frontal, side, and rear impact collisions, as well as rollover tests. These tests are designed to ensure that the vehicle's structure can withstand extreme forces while protecting its occupants. The data collected from these tests is used to refine the vehicle's safety features, including its airbags, crumple zones, and battery protection systems. Volvo's goal is not just to meet regulatory standards, but to exceed them, setting new benchmarks for automotive safety. In addition to physical crash tests, the EX90 is also subjected to virtual crash simulations. These simulations use advanced computer modeling to predict how the vehicle will behave in a wide range of collision scenarios. This allows Volvo to test and refine safety features long before the first prototype is built, ensuring that the final product is as safe as possible. And that's a detailed look at the fabrication process of the new Volvo EX90 at the Charleston factory. From the initial body construction to the final quality checks, every step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure that the EX90 meets Volvo's high standards for safety, quality, and sustainability. The Charleston plant is not just a production facility, it's where the future of automotive engineering is being shaped. With its commitment to innovation and excellence, Volvo is setting new standards in the electric vehicle market. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Volvo EX90's production process. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.